Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 15, How to Add New Pages and Edit the Existing Pages in WordPress. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Pages option. We'll see step-by-step how to add new pages and edit the existing pages in WordPress. So let's get started. From the WordPress dashboard, choose this Pages option. Your existing pages are shown here with the page title, and then below we have got editing options including Edit, Trash, and Preview. Click on this View button and it will open your page. Here on top, we have that Add New button. Click on it. You can add new pages by inserting page title, page body content. You can see the page link is automatically generated. Then click on this Publish button. You can view your new page by clicking this View Page option. Your page will look something like this. Now go to All Pages option from Pages, and you can see your newly added page is showing on top. You can also delete some pages by clicking on this Trash option. And here it shows we have one page in the trash. Click on Trash above, and you can delete this page permanently from here. So now the page is deleted permanently. You can confirm it from here. So that's pretty much everything with the Pages option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Comments option. We'll see step-by-step how to edit and delete comments from your posts. See you in the next video tutorial.